How to log in CIBC, also known as Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Korea Login Delete. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser from your PC and at the top search bar, you want to type in www.cibc.com and click on enter. Once done, you will land onto its official website. Now at the right hand side, you will see card number. Enter your card number at this box. Likewise, enter your password at this box. If you would like this device to remember your card, check on Remember My Card. Once done, go ahead and click on Sign On. If you are a new member, then click on Register to create yourself a CIBC account. In case you would like to reset your password, click on Reset Your Password and get help. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.